Hello everyone. Today I am going to give you a quick tutorial in how to implement a system that will detect brain tumor from MRI images using anisotropic filter and segmentation image processing. So there is a code for the implementation of the following problem statement. So let's just run this file first and try to understand the output. As I click on run button, we can see after running it leads to us to a database. So we need to click on the database. In the database I have 10 images of the brain tumor. Some images are not tumor affected and some images are causing tumor. So let's just select an image, let's say this 11. So you can see this image has no tumor, so it is showing the status that no tumor. So let's click on OK, and you can see in figure 1 it is showing the input image, and in figure 2 it is showing the filtered image. And after showing figure 1 and figure 2, it also appears a dialog box which says that no tumor, that was showing the status that no tumor. Now let's select an image which is causing tumor, let's say 6.jpg. It is having tumor. Okay, now let's understand each image one by one. Go to figure 1 first. Figure 1 is the input image which we have inputted. In figure 2 it will filter the input image, it is filtering it, you can see. And in figure 3 it is showing the only tumor part with the title tumor alone. And in figure 4 it makes a bounding box across the tumor, so it detects the bounding box of the tumor. And in figure 5 it is eroded the tumor image. Eroded is basically it is performing the morphological operation erosion across the bounding box of the tumor, so we will get this eroded image. In figure 6 we will get the tumor outline, and in figure 7 we finally detect the tumor. And in figure 8 we are subplotting all of these 6 figures. So we can see the first image which we had was input image, and we were filtering the input image. Then we will bounding boxing the tumor. After that we will segmented the tumor and getting the alone tumor path. Then we will outlining the tumor, and then finally we detect the tumor. So that was the output. Now let's come to the code. Let's try to understand the code. So before explaining you the code, let me tell you that this is the brain tumor detection using anisotropic filter and segmentation image processing. So let's first try to understand what anisotropic filtering is. So anisotropic filtering is basically a method for enhancing the image quality of texture on surfaces of computer graphics that are at oblique viewing angles with respect to the camera, where the projection of the texture appears to be non-orthogonal. Okay, so basically it is a relatively intense and some degree computationally through the standard space-time trade-off only and only become a standard feature of consumer level graphic cards in the late 1990s. See, this is the filtering method which is used to enhance the quality of the texture or the image, uh, and it enhancing the quality of the image with respect to the angles to the camera where the projection of the texture appears to be non-orthogonal. So that is anisotropic filtering. We can see this anisotropic filtering is now common in modern graphic hardware and is enabled either by users through driver settings or by graphics application and video games through programming interfaces. Now let's come to the code. Okay. This image processing routine basically detect the tumor's presence, location, area and boundary. So first we are inputting the image, any JPG or image, we will select an image. Then we are providing the path of the image and we are reading the image by using IMRead function. Then we are displaying the figure 1, that was input image. We are providing font size 20 as well, these are optional. By default title can take in font size also. Now next we are moving towards the filtering part. As we can see in the output, after inputting the image, it was showing filtering image. So it is this code is doing the filter. First we are initializing the num iterator variable as 10, and then we are initializing some variables like delta t is equals to 1 by 7, kappa 15, and option is true. Then we are displaying processing in image, please wait. Then we are applying anisotropic filtering by anisodiff is the file which we are inputting in inp variable. Let me show you the anisotropic file. This is the anisodiff file. You can see the function anisodiff in which the parameters are num iterator delta t kappa option. We are initializing the variables there and assigning the values in final.m file. In this we are converting the input image to the double. Then we are applying partial differential equation initial condition. Then we are giving the central pixel distances. Then we are providing 2D convolution mask, finite differences. Then we are doing anisotropic diffusion and then diffusion function also. After that we are doing discrete PDE solution. In final.m, now let's come to the final.m file. In final.m file, after displaying filtered image, we are going to the thresholding part. In thresholding we are first resizing the image. After that we are calculating the thresholding by using this formula. After that we are iterating it. Next we are doing morphological operation. As we can see, it is also showing the eroded image, so we need to do some morphological operation also. Then we are displaying it. If there is no tumor, then it is displaying no tumor. If it is having tumor, then it is showing tumor. In this we are giving some if else condition for tumor and non-tumor images. Then we are going towards the bounding box. If the image is having tumor, then it will do the code bounding box, otherwise it will leave it here. If the image has no tumor, then it will leave it here, but otherwise if it is having tumor, it will go to the bounding box code. Then it is showing the bounding box across the tumor. Then we will get the tumor outline by using image filling, eroding, subtracting and erosion to the walls by a few pixels. Then we are subtracting the eroded image from the original BW image. After that we are inserting the outline in filtered image in green color. After that we are displaying all of the 6 images together. So that was the code for brain tumor detection from MRI images. using anisotropic filter and segmentation image processing. You can download any MRI images causing tumor and causing known tumor and make a database of your own and upload it in this code, and you will get the known tumor and tumor caused images, and this system will detect the tumor and known tumor caused images. So that was the code, and we implemented this. Thank you for watching.